can't handle the truth.
Hello everybody, my name is Ifeanyi Ubah and this is 360 Degree Mastery. This is the channel where we teach you personal effectiveness, self-mastery, and how to create, grow, and manage your wealth. You're watching this channel right now. You have not subscribed to the 360 Degree Mastery. Please and please do yourself a favor. Do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button so you have access to all of my online content. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are coming out. I put out new videos every week, and my videos are full of tips to make you a better person, to make you a happier person, to make you a more successful you in your life, in your business, and in your relationships. Now, today, very quickly, I want to talk about income, the different types of income. Essentially, there are three types of income, which is earned income, passive income, and what they call investment or portfolio income. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is I want to let you know the type of income you should be looking for if you want to create wealth. Now, first of all, let's talk about earned income. Earned income is essentially the money you get paid for the amount of work you do, whether physical or mental. That is your salaries, your wages, your commissions, your tips. These are the monies you earn for the amount of work that you do. So the more work you do, the more you earn. A lot of people, majority of the people fall into the earned income category. But the unfortunate thing is that earned income is the lowest type of income there is. You can't really build much wealth from earned income because there are only 24 hours in a day. There's a limited amount of time that you can put in to earn money. The only way you can increase your earned income is if you increase the value of what you are doing. Maybe you increase your academic qualifications, or you become so good at what you are doing that you can afford to charge whatever you want to people and they are willing to pay, for you, to do it. Now, next we come to what they call passive income. Now, to a lot of people, that is the investment, that is the wealth creating sweet spot. Okay, that is money you get from something that you have done in the past, and that thing is generating income for you as you go along. Maybe like you own rental property and you're collecting rent on that property. You have built the house, you built it a long time ago, and you are just sitting at home every month or every year. The tenant comes and pays you rent. That is passive income. Or you can take me, for instance. I have written so many books over the years, and every time a copy of my book sells, I get paid. That's passive income for me. I don't have to, carry my books and walk around town. As long as there are bookshops or there are sales sites selling my books, I get paid a passive income. That is how I create wealth. And remember, I said it is the wealth creation sweet spot for a lot of people. So I advise, if you want to get passive income, you can create some kind of intellectual property. Maybe you write a book, maybe you design an app or a program, or something, or you create content and you put it online. As long as that content is being viewed, as long as that app is being used, as long as those books are being read, you are getting passive income. Then after that, we have what they call portfolio or investment income. Now, this is the type of income that you get from what you do with your money. You invest your money in purchasing T-bills or commercial papers. When it matures, you get paid your money and an interest. That is an investment. Or let us say you own equity in a company, you own shares in a company. When that company makes a profit, you get paid a dividend. That is investment income. Or maybe you bought shares a long time ago at 50 naira per share, and then you are now selling those shares at 500 naira per share. The difference between the amount you bought the shares and the amount you sold the shares, that's what they call capital gains. That is investment income. Now, investment income is a very good way to create wealth for yourself, but you have to know what you are doing, and you have to assume a certain amount of risk. So if you are going to invest to create wealth, then make sure that you do your homework, you study what you are investing in, and you have the patience to hold on to the value of what you have, so that it can appreciate sufficiently for you to create income out of it. Similarly, if you are getting passive income like myself, that means you have to work hard, do well enough to create a product that people want, to create an intellectual property that will sell for years afterwards, so that you can continue to collect passive income. These are the type of income that you should focus on: passive income and also investment or portfolio income. Earned income is good if you are taking care of your day-to-day needs. Okay, if you are purchasing things that you need to take care of yourself or take care of your family, that is a good way to create income for yourself. But remember, there are only 24 hours in a day. There is only so much that you can do. So don't focus so much on earned income to create wealth. Focus more on passive income and investment or portfolio income. How do you see this video? If this video was helpful at all, please go ahead and click like. Share this video with somebody who needs it. Subscribe to my channel. My name is Ifeanyi Ubah and this is 360 Degree Mastery. I will see you next week with more tips and more information on how you can live a better, happier, and more successful life with peace of mind. Namaste.